Hey guys, we got two brand new items in the shave today. It is A&E's Pistachio as well as Alpha Outlaw Mild Safety Razor. Coming right up. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for stopping by for today's shave. Very excited to use a razor on loan as well as some new software. Before we get any further, guys, it looks like over 50% or just over 50% of viewers watching this channel are not subscribed. So if you wind up liking this video, you like the videos that you see on this channel, it would be a huge help and service to me if you hit that little subscribe button. It'll help you in two ways. First, you're less likely to miss brand new content. And second, it helps that very same content get more eyes on it. So thank you guys in advance. All right, so with my little spiel out of the way, let's talk about Pistachio. So Pistachio, we've got both the soap here as well as the matching aftershave splash. The label here is pretty simple. I love the colors though. It perfectly matches the star of the show, Pistachio. Not too many soaps and scents that I have in my den or even amongst my fragrances that feature this note. It is a gourmand. This has sweetness to it. If we take a look at the soap itself, you'll see where I scooped around the side, and it is a darker color soap. And the smell, this is very robust. I would say this is strong as far as scent strength, and we're not doing numbers anymore. It's strong in scent strength. It's got a punch of sweetness, but more importantly, it represents pistachio very well. It certainly helps that pistachio ice cream. It's probably one of my favorite flavors. I kind of like those old-timey nut-based ice cream flavors. So pistachio, maple walnut. So it's definitely got that pistachio ice cream vibe. It also reminds me of pastries. If you like, from almond pastries, pistachio pastries, I think there's some overlap there in the kind of sweet, very inviting, warm scent that you're getting. We'll get more into the breakdown and other scent notes of pistachio in just a little bit, but let me show you what else we're going to use for today's shave. So for today's razor, this one is on loan courtesy of J Beast Mode on the Lather Talk Discord. Thank you, J Beast Mode. This is the Alpha Outlaw Mild. And funny enough, I've never used the Alpha razors. I know there's a number of different ones, different aggressions. So I'm very happy to give this a go. It is a mild razor, but J Beast Mode also said it's got a good amount of efficiency. So mild with a good amount of efficiency, that's usually my jam. I don't have the specs for you today, but I'll be using this razor for the next few shaves, and we'll cover more in depth on an upcoming video. So we'll get more into that in the future. Today, I just want to get a shave in with it. This is my first shave with it, so we're going with a Gillette Silver Blue razor blade. And for today's shave brush, I have one that perfectly complements the shade of green in Pistachio's label, and that is from Bristol Brushworks here. This beautifully turned, chubby style jade brush. And even like the very light green and brown of jade. Look at that. It really, really good matchy, which warms my heart. This is one of those times where shave enthusiasts and hobbyists know what I'm talking about, but to anyone else, really weird. The knot in this one is a 28mm Hair Force 1 knot from Stripeable Shave. Really dense, really soft. It's a big knot, and this brush, just beautiful. I don't use it as much as I should, so very happy to show it to you guys today. Oh, and I almost forgot to mention the shave bowl for today from Lancaster Razor Works. This lovely ditty right here. You can see beautiful red black. Good stuff. Alright, so the official scent notes for A&E's Pistachio include mandarin orange, pistachio, sambac, almond, and sandalwood. So A&E's Pistachio is offered in its superb K2E base. This is a tallow-based formula, and it is amongst my favorites. after having lathered it up. I don't think it changed too much. That's not a bad thing whatsoever. The scent for pistachio is blended really well. I can't pick apart the individual notes. If anything, it's making me want to go to the bakery, pick up some sort of pistachio dessert and get a side of coffee with it and kind of just chill. Pistachio was originally created for the opening of the A&E showroom back on October 8th, 2022. But lucky for us, A&E has made this scent available to the masses. All right, so let's go in with our first pass with the Alpha Outlaw Mild. So far, I'm impressed. I'll share some of my first impressions as I'm doing this first pass, but I've got about, I want to say like 5 days of growth here. And although it's called a mild razor, it's taking it down no problem. Fair amount of audio feedback. And if I didn't say it before, it's a hefty razor. I'm not sure all the different configurations, if there's different handles and whatnot, but this is a hefty boy. All right, so I've applied the aftershave splash. I do want to note that you get more of the scent, more of the complete picture. The heartier base notes like the sambac, the sandalwood in particular, come out a lot more. And I think something's going on with the mixing of that and the sandalwood, which almost gives it like a dark roast coffee bean kind of scent that plays really well with the overall pistachio vibe. So all that being said, it's less gourmandy in the aftershave splash, but overall I would say if you hate gourmand type scents, ones that smell like food, you don't need to apply. This is probably not gonna be for you. However, I don't mind a good gourmand scent and one that's really unique, one that I enjoy. Pistachio, really unique. Nothing else really smells like it in my shave den, so points for that. So overall, pistachio is a great addition to the A&E lineup. I really enjoy it. If you like pistachio ice cream like me, pistachio desserts, I think this is going to be a hit for you. So this one's available at A&E's website. It's also going to be available at various online shaving retailers. So be on the lookout for that if this sounds good to you. As for my first shave with the Alpha Outlaw Mild, I really liked it. I like the heftiness of this razor, how it performed. Loved it. No irritation at all. Very mild feeling and efficiency. Super impressed. We just did 2 passes with, again, like 5 days worth of growth. I lost count, but it's at least 5. It's at least 5 days worth of growth, and it handled it like a champ. So I will really be looking forward to my shaves in the coming week with this guy. And as I mentioned at the beginning of the video, keep an eye out. I'll do a video just for, and as I mentioned at the top of the video, I'll be sure to do a razor spotlight or just something where we take a deeper dive with this razor. So guys, if you've used A&E Pistachio, if you've used the Alpha Outlaw Mild or any of the other Alpha razors, I'd love to hear from you in the comments section down below. But otherwise, that's going to do it for today's video. Thank you so much for taking some time out of your busy day and joining me for this shave. I hope you found the information helpful. I hope you guys have a great day, and I'll catch you next time. Take care.